Hey, what's going on, people? My name's Tanner. Welcome to Crypto Bible. Got another midday upload for you guys. I found a very interesting article that I wanted to cover for you guys, and it's quite a good one because what we're actually going to be reading is four opinions from four crypto experts within the field. So what they basically do is they're giving their opinions on the future of crypto. And when I read it, it's more like a good, the bad, and the ugly side of things, right? Because they start off with a little bit of bad news about some of the regulations that we put into place, whether it's going to be good for crypto or not. But then they actually tell us and give us a little outline of what the future could actually hold for crypto and how it can develop and take over banks, for example, right? So how are they going to affect our future? Are we going to be living with crypto for a long time? What could we see that's new that's coming into crypto? And just kind of see what kind of features could be coming out in the future. And it's just good to get an opinion from four different experts. So we're going to take a little dive into this article, and I want to see what you guys think about it in the comments below. Let me know your opinions on what you think could actually happen in the future with crypto. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be bad? Will regulations be good or bad? But we'll wait and see. Let's have a quick read of this anyway. So we spoke to four experts about the key themes for crypto for 2021, from regulation to price volatility and growing everyday use. So it's a pretty good article, which basically covers everything we really need to know about crypto, right? So cryptocurrency prices have been somewhat quiet this month against the backdrop of increased scrutiny from regulators, and as those with interest in the market pay close attention to daily developments. Insider spoke to four industry executives whose expertise spans retail and institutional adoption, collectible non-fungible tokens, and decentralized finance to give us their prediction for what lies ahead. Now, I just want to make something clear straight off the back here. We're basically being a little bit misled here that cryptocurrency prices have been somewhat quiet this month against a backdrop of increased scrutiny from regulators. As those with interest in the market pay close attention to daily developments. Now, one of the quotes that I've been saying for a while, just before I do carry on, is that this regulation thing is a Binance problem and not a crypto problem. And the reason why I kept saying that is because we keep getting misled by articles that say things like this. So although I read the article and I found it pretty interesting, I just wanted to let you guys know that it's not a crypto problem when it does come to regulations. It's more the exchanges that have been facing, regulatory issues recently. So, and that's got nothing to do with the price, because at this moment it's just Binance. So let's just, put that to the side a little bit. Let's not get misled like we usually do from media, and let's carry on. All right. Just wanted to make that clear. So state regulatory clampdown. So here we're going to be speaking about regulations. Let me take this out of here. So this guy says regulation will hurt crypto. We're already seeing how things like crackdowns over Bitcoin mining in China and scrutiny over global exchanges like Binance have caused panic in the markets. Governments should be in favor of innovation, but right now we're seeing a lot of governments step in and try to regulate a sector that they don't even fully understand. That is from a guy called Colin Pape. He's the founder of decentralized search engine Presearch. If you guys want to look him up, you can do. He hopes cryptocurrencies are given the space to thrive and bring real freedom and financial stability to people who have been let down by the way things have been done. So, this guy believes that regulation will hurt crypto. He hasn't really said whether or not that's now or in the future, because obviously everyone's got their own opinion on what they believe will happen in the future when it does come to regulations in crypto. My personal opinion is that I do believe exchanges will comply. I do believe that regulations will be put in place. The problem with governments and regulations is that there's always going to be something new, especially a new market coming into play where everyone's kind of taken over, getting involved in crypto. A lot of people making money, a lot of people losing money, a lot of people being scammed. There's a lot that needs to be done, right? So regulations are definitely needed. They should have been there a long time ago. Like I said yesterday in one of my videos, only now it's being caught up on because of how popular it's beginning to be. But again, this guy thinks it's going to hurt crypto. I think it may hurt crypto for a short amount of time until people will eventually get used to whatever's going to happen. So personally, I think it's going to be okay. But obviously, I'm not the expert. This guy is. So let's carry on reading. So here we talk about further price volatility. Some strategists are keeping a close eye on price volatility. There are many factors at play, including regulation and the upcoming Ethereum upgrade on August 4th, that could drive price fluctuations. Pape said, adding that staying rational when it comes to decision making is important. I definitely agree with that. I don't know if the Ethereum upgrade in August would have such an effect on the entire market. It may on Ethereum, I don't know. Maybe not on the full market. So he's saying that this could drive price fluctuations. Adding that staying rational when it comes to decision making is important. Decision making is very important in cryptocurrency, in the market. I always say, just a little word of advice for people. Cryptocurrency is internet money. You should take profit. It is very needed to take profit, and people don't really understand that because they just kind of see the money ticking over in their Binance account or their Trust Wallet account. So there's not really, too much I could say about that. But all I'd say is it is internet money. Take profit when you can. Take profit when it's due. Otherwise, it's just numbers ticking over on an exchange, guys. So making decisions is extremely important. So let's carry on having a read. An explosion of new crypto products. So this is quite exciting. With crypto currently being one of the biggest stories in financial markets, the number of apps with digital asset options are growing. Investing and banking apps will continue to roll out features that support crypto and make it easier for people to diversify their portfolios. This will provide a gateway for people to start participating in the crypto ecosystem, whether it being through sending Bitcoin or Ethereum to friends and family, buying NFTs, or participating in DeFi. Matthew Gold, founder and CEO of blockchain domain provider Unstoppable Domain, said that. So fintechs and traditional banks will start to offer more crypto products to stay competitive and bring efficiency to their business. Credit card points will be replaced by crypto rewards, adding real and exciting value for customers. And that is from Diogo Monica, co-founder and president of crypto bank Entourage. So again, quite a few opinions here. They do believe that, crypto will be going with the times, technology will be improving, and basically they just want to be making the lives of retail investors, regular people, a lot more easier when it does come to cryptocurrency. What they're basically trying to say is that they want it to become part of everyone's everyday life. They want it to be a normal thing. They don't think it's going to be something that's just going to be spoken about in a few years. How it is now is spoken about and being adopted widely. Cool. A lot of people are flooding into the market just to invest, but they think it's going to be taking a path where it's just going to become a normality within the future. So we're just going to have to wait and see how that develops. I do agree with that, though. Even when it does come to like the banking side of things, saving protocols and everything else, I do believe that cryptocurrency will be taking over banks far in the future. Maybe not as far as we think, but, there are already movements being made for that to be done. So we're just going to have to wait and see what does happen with that as well. But they are very positive on the future of crypto and where that stands in regards to the technology and new features coming into play, making it easier for the normal person's everyday life, basically, is what they're saying. So that's positive news. More inbuilt support on payment apps. Now, this is important. With the rise in institutional adoption comes a need for all crypto projects to operate at a higher level to compete and meet the demands of growing customer base. We've seen payment apps like PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App start to offer support for top crypto assets. And I see this as a step in the right direction towards making crypto ambiguous on a global scale. That is from Matthew Gold on Unstoppable Domains as well. So again, you've got PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. However, you can also kind of see other things coming into place, such as, Crypto.com have their own card. Binance have their own card now, their Visa card. You've got apps like Revolut, which you can literally spend that anywhere you want. It's just like having a regular debit card, and you can spend that anywhere you want. You're getting rewarded for spending. You could be rewarded in crypto. You've got savings on there as well. You could buy crypto on Revolut. There's going to be so many different things coming into play. And with PayPal taking the step, I think it was like last November or something, where people can purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, I think it was as well. That's a huge thing. PayPal is worldwide, it's global. And I do believe that in the future, they'll probably do what exchanges usually do, and they'll list a new crypto maybe every week, every month. We don't know. I definitely think that they will be, because it's going to be becoming very, very popular. We saw this week that PayPal raised their crypto buying limits to $100,000. And it was originally $20,000. So even there, that's big movements already, because they're seeing the demand, and that demand is just going to carry on growing and growing and growing until we reach a point where it's just going to be crypto. So again, more good news coming there as well for the future. So swelling interest in digital property and ownership. There's no doubt that the pandemic accelerated digital trends, from the shift to remote work to NFT adoption and volatile crypto prices. More specifically, digital property has dramatically increased in popularity. People want to take ownership via NFT use cases like trading cards, domain names, and digital currencies. In the past 18 months or so since the pandemic started, crypto's trajectory has permanently shifted upwards as people have become more educated and comfortable using and engaging with digital technology, and there's no looking back. So that's from Gold as well. So yeah, there you go. There's even more good news. So look, in regards to the future of crypto, and its adoption and the new features coming in and making it easier for the regular person's everyday life, fantastic. These guys who are experts within the field, who are heavily involved in cryptocurrency, and they've created their own cryptocurrency apps or features such as unstoppable domains, a newsletter, crypto, anything. It could be anything. These guys are experts in the market. And the only thing that they are somewhat worried about is the regulation within crypto. They think it's going to hurt crypto. Now, again, I do agree with that. However, I feel like it will be on a short-term basis. And I feel like we're already seeing that, because not only is it hurting crypto, it's hurting quite a few retail investors as well, especially within the UK, but it's happening all over the world with the whole Binance thing. But it's one of those things, because we're so used to Binance, it feels like it's being hurt. But when, like I always say, when you zoom out, in reality, it's not too bad. But other than that, though, within the future, with everything else involved in, banking apps, features that are going to be coming through, these guys do believe that it's all very, very positive for cryptocurrency coming soon. And I completely agree with it. But let me know what you guys think as well. Let me know your views and opinions in the comments below. Do you guys think there's going to be anything crazy going to be happening in the future with crypto? How do you see it being adopted, or do you just kind of agree with what these guys are saying? Because I do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. But if you have liked this video, please do leave a like down below. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel as well, and please join the Discord. The link is in the description below, and ensure your notifications are turned on. Going to be more and more updates coming, and I will be doing a live stream at around 6:30 p.m. UK time today, so please be sure to join me there. And guys, I will see you very, very soon. Take it easy.